क्रिसमस के मौके पर जर्मन कॉन्सल जनरल डॉक्टर रॉडिगर लॉर्ड्स ने सांता क्लॉज का रूप धार लिया। कहते हैं कि क्रिसमस के साथ नए साल की खुशियां भी मुबारक हों और हम सब 2025 को वेलकम करते हैं।
As you know, in Germany and many other countries in Europe and elsewhere, today, 25th of December, we celebrate Christmas. Santa Claus is a very important part of Christmas, and I am dressed as Santa Claus today. Santa Claus brings presents to children, so that's why I'm dressed like this today. For those of you who are Christian, let me wish you a Merry Christmas. And to everyone, I wish you a peaceful, harmonious and happy end of the year, and I wish you all the very best for the next year that is to come, 2025.